In this lesson, we're going to finish off the topic of perimeter area and volume with capacity. When we work with volume, you may have noticed that we tend to deal with our distance units cubed, so like centimeters cubed, for instance. However, when referring to capacity, we are more used to milliliters and liters. To finish off the unit, we will practice converting between these units. Here is just a bunch of capacity unit conversions that are pretty standard. Just notice that anything with a capital M is mega, not milli. So lowercase is milli, and uppercase is megaliters. And we'll come back to this if necessary, but that is essentially, it's a lot of stuff. You're not going to be able to remember all of this, but just keep it handy and you can look back to it whenever it is necessary. So to start off with an example, we need to find, we find this container and it's filled with water, and we want to find the volume of the container in cubic centimeters, and then find the capacity of the container in liters. So you can see where you need to know the stuff from earlier in the topic in order for this to actually make sense. So once again, the faithful formula, volume equals AH, and for the cross-sectional area, we're going to do 70 times 40, so then the H actually makes sense. So 70 times 40 times the height of 30, which is 84,000 centimeters cubed. For part B, we need to use that answer. So we can see here that the capacity from part A is 84,000. And there's actually a couple of ways of doing this. So I've just shown you two. So 84,000 times 0.001 litres, which you can see from that other slide, will give us the capacity in litres of 84. But another way of going about it is looking at the capacity is 84,000 cubic centimetres, times it by 1 milliliter, which means that it's 84,000 millilitres. And then to convert that to litres, we divide it by 1,000 and we get 84 litres. There's a lot more to that, but the best way to work through this topic, subtopic, is to practice just converting different things and experimenting. As you can see, there's lots of different ways for each individual question, so you just have to work out which way works best for you. Anyway, that brings us to the end of this entire topic. And just remember, you can always look back at any of these videos if you need any help remembering things as you study, or just if you want to listen. Thanks.